Hi everyone and welcome to the last video of Prepare Yourself for Christmas. I know, it's sad, but hey, next year there will be new videos. In this video I will make a biplane. Transfer the pattern onto your wood on two sides. Make sure they are aligned at the front. At first my pattern for my top view was too small at the back of the airplane. So later on I changed that. I'm using a slat on the bandsaw and a stop to cut out this recess for the wing. This way I can't cut too far. Let's turn this scrap piece into the wing. I'll plane it down into the right width until it fits in the recess I made in the body. Okay, this is not good, it's way too loose. So I made another one and this is way better. Now you can plane it into the right thickness. Now that I'm sure that it all fits, I can cut out the side view of the airplane. Before we cut out the top view, sand this smooth on the spindle sander. Don't throw away your offcuts and tape it all together, and now you can cut out the top view. I drew some pencil lines to see where I still need to sand. Sanding away the bandsaw marks can be a tough job, but the belt sander comes in handy with this job. Do you like my projects and do you want to make them yourself? You can become a patron or a member on my YouTube channel, and then you can get the plans to make all these amazing toys. Use the small belt sander for the hard to reach areas. Let's tape the offcuts back to the airplane because I forgot to cut out a recess at the back for the back wing. When I made the second biplane, I did this step in the beginning of cutting out the profile. Okay, so now let's cut out that small back wing which I was referring to. Just dry fit it to see which areas you can sand and which you don't. Now round over the body of the biplane. This video is part of a mini-series. Go watch the other videos when you're done with this one. Bye! Some little hand sanding to make everything smooth for those little hands. When you are using Rubio to finish, don't sand above grit 120. Glue the back wing in place. Okay, now it's time for the top and bottom wing. This is a really complicated process to explain because I actually don't understand it myself. I know that's weird, but I did it and I succeeded, but I did not understand what I was doing. I've cut a scrap block of wood in 70 degrees on the miter saw. This way I can drill the holes in an angle. I attached the two pieces together with double-sided tape. Then I made two 8mm dowels so I can put the wings together and see what happened to the wings. Then I put the wings together with those dowels and I've put some spacers in between, and now I can drill the straight holes for the straight dowels. In my plans there are also no drill holes or no explanation for this step because I still don't understand it after 3 biplanes. With each biplane I was still thinking about it. Okay, then I was happy with the alignment of the wings, and now I can draw the shape of the wings and cut it out on the bandsaw. Sand the two wings smooth on the disc sander, the spindle sander and by hand. Knock down the corners with some sandpaper, but be careful that you don't sand in spaces where you don't need to sand. Okay, now I can glue the wings together with 4 dowels. Hey, let's tell you another secret. This biplane is my favorite one because it has the same contrasting colors as Loïke. So now Loïke can travel the world with the airplane. I'm putting some super glue on top of the dowels because I had the feeling that I pushed away a lot of glue. Now that the wings and body are ready, I can glue it together. Make sure your body of the airplane is in the middle of the wings, of course. I will reinforce this joint with some dowels, but I can't put pressure on the dowels, so I'll put some wood underneath the body of the airplane. Glue in the 5mm dowels and cut them flush. A real airplane, of course, needs a propeller, so let's make this. And now let's shape it like a real propeller. Drill a hole for a screw and countersink it. Drill a hole for the screw. I've cut out the support pieces for the wheels, sand them smooth and shape them, and drill a hole for the axle to go through. Use a hole saw to make your wheels and put them in your drill, and then you can sand them smooth. Attach the supports to the wing, and then your airplane is almost ready. To align them, it's easier to put the axle through the holes. Now let's finish all the loose parts with Rubio monocoat, and then I can assemble it, and then the airplane is really ready. Hi! Oh, no, I need to be sad, because this was the last video of Prepare Yourself for Christmas for this year, but that means it's almost Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Beautiful airplanes, or biplanes, don't you think? I made one in natural color. It's pretty. It's absolutely pretty. And this was the first one I colored. I'm happy with the color, but I think it's not enough contrast. But it's fine. It's beautiful. But this one is my favorite one, because it has the same colors as Louise's. And of course I made some pictures of the airplane and Louise. Okay, so this was it. One task for you. Tell me which was your favorite project of the mini-series. Let me know in the comments down below. And I wish you, your friends and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I would love to see you back in January. Bye! Have a lovely Christmas!